Hi, I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2004 Toyota Camry 2.4 liter automatic. Car came in, vehicle no start, no crank. So if you hear this sound, that means your starter is broken and that needs to be replaced. So I'm going to show you how to replace the starter. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. This is a 1/2 inch pipe that I use to extend my ratchet. So 3/8 ratchet, another 3/8 ratchet, 3/8 extension, 14 millimeter socket, another 14 millimeter socket, 12 millimeter socket, 1/4 inch ratchet, 1/4 inch extension, 10 millimeter socket, 2 different size flat tip screwdrivers, anti-seize, and my dielectric grease. This is the part I'm going to be using today to do this job. This is a Denso starter. Okay, the starter is located right here on the driver's side. So I'm going to be removing this air cleaner assembly. Removing the wire for the mass airflow. Disconnecting the air intake tube. Okay, removing the top part of the air cleaner. Okay, unbolting the bottom half of the air cleaner assembly. Okay. Removing this mount for the wire. Get another mount over here. Okay, so I'm going to be removing this air intake. So I'm going to be removing this wire, the starter wire. Just push this thing in and pull it out. Okay, so now I'm going to be disconnecting the main wire that goes to the starter. So it's a good idea to disconnect one side of the battery, because when you remove this main wire, you don't want a wrench touching the, this piece of metal or any metal object, or it's just going to short out. But I'm going to be removing this main wire without disconnecting the battery, so I gotta be really careful. But if you don't feel comfortable doing this, disconnect your battery. So before I remove the main battery wire, I'm gonna get some black tape. Taping up this metal piece just in case it touches, the wrench touches, it ain't gonna short out. And just wrap some black tape around it. I don't want this guy touching any metal object. So I'm going to be removing these two bolts, this bolt here and this bolt here, and then from there I can pull the starter out. So these are 14mm bolts. And I'll pull it out. So I'm going to be putting on my starter. So I'm going to be putting some anti-seize on my bolts. Okay, so I'm going to be tightening up the bolts. I'm going to be connecting my main battery wire. Tightening it up. Putting some dielectric grease in my starter wire. And just shoving it in. So I'll be removing this tape. So I'm going to be putting on this air intake. Don't bolt it up yet. We're going to be putting on the bottom section of the air cleaner first. So I'll be installing the bottom half of the air filter. So we're going to be connecting these wires to the mount. So I'm going to be bolting it up. So I'm going to be putting some anti-seize on my bolts. Tightening it up. Bolting up my air intake. Putting back my air filter in the top half of the air filter assembly. Tightening up my air intake tube. So I'm going to be connecting my mass airflow sensor. I'm going to be putting some dielectric grease right in here. Clip it on. Now we're going to try start up the vehicle. So I'm going to start up the vehicle. Okay, you're good to go. So that's how you replace a broken starter. If you have any questions, comment below. Make sure you subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.